Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carla Diva. Today I'm going to be reviewing this makeup brush set that was sent to me from this company called Alimice, and then I'll give you guys my honest opinion. I'm going to show you guys a few of the brushes before I start, mainly the bigger one. This is a face brush. I think this is the biggest one in the set, and this brush is very dense. As a matter of fact, all of them, they're very dense, but they're so soft. So I absolutely like that about it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the rest of the brushes. But I'm not gonna show you the smaller ones one by one. I believe there was 5 of the big ones and the rest of them were small, about 7, so I think there were 12 in total. I'm gonna start my makeup off by doing my lids. I already did my eyebrows, as you can see, and I'm applying some concealer onto my lids, and now I'm gonna spread the concealer out and blend it out with this flat brush from the set of brush they sent me. I started off doing my eyeshadow with the best brush they had in the set for eyeshadow, but this brush was not working for me, so I had to go ahead and use one of my brush, which is much fluffier. As you can see, both of them together, mine was bigger, so mine works better for what I'm doing here. I then go ahead and use theirs as I move on to the next shadow, and there it works much better for me. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one that they sent me to apply my shadow and glitter onto my eyelid. This one is much flatter, so it definitely works out for applying the shadow here. Now I'm gonna be applying some eyeliner. I'm gonna do my wing, and this is a angle brush that they also sent me that I'm using to apply my eyeliner onto my eyelid. Honestly, it got the job done, but the brush that I have solely for this purpose is much thinner and it works so much better than theirs. I'm applying my foundation using my beauty blender, and as you notice, I'm not showing you guys the products I'm using just because this video is about the makeup brushes, really not about the products I'm using on my face. And these products I'm using on my face are products that I use in most of my videos. So I mean, if you really need to know what I'm using, you could watch previous video that I've done before or videos that's gonna be coming up. I'm also using my beauty blender to blend out my concealer, and certain things that I apply to my face, I feel like the beauty blender does a better job, or it just works out better for me. I probably could find a brush in the set that would work for this, but I don't know, I just think I would be much safer using the beauty blender. So I added contour onto my face, and I will be using this angle brush from the set they sent me to blend it out. Most time I would use my beauty blender, but since I have this brush available and it's working fine, I'm using it. And to blend my contour out, I'm blending it going upward, as you can see. For my nose, I'm also using this smaller angle brush to blend the contour out. Now I'm setting my concealer, and I'm using this triangle shaped sponge to apply the setting powder just because it's more precise. I'm using this face brush to set my face, and I have to say this is my very favorite brush out of the whole set, and you guys will definitely see me using it in other videos. Using this span brush, I'm going to apply some highlighter onto my cupid's bow and onto my cheeks. And before I forget, make sure you guys check the description box because I'm going to be leaving you a discount code so you could get 20% off your purchase. I'm going to use a smaller brush to apply the rest of my eyeliner under my eyebrows and in the inner crease of my eyes. I totally forgot about my blush, and so that's what I'm applying now. I applied some lip liner on my lip and I'm using one of their brush to smudge it out, and that's the last thing I'm going to do for this look. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really don't have much to say about it because, you know, sometimes new tools give you a new look and I'm not sure if I'm really feeling it, but I know I could practice with them more, get more used to them, and things will be so much better. I still feel pretty regardless because that's definitely not an option. But anyway, you guys, go ahead and leave me some comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look using these new makeup brushes. I personally like them and would definitely recommend them, especially because they're so dense and at the same time they're so soft against my skin. I want to say a big thank you to Alimice for sponsoring this video. All the information will be down in the description box below, so please check that out. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Please show some love by giving this video a thumbs up. It's free and I would appreciate it so much if you do. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.